As you guys know, I'm constantly at my desk creating content, editing, research, and building my websites and just doing my productivity. And at times, having a creative and ergonomic space is everything to pushes your content and make the productivity even better. So I found a solution to the problem to make my desk space absolutely amazing. So shout out to Desky. They sent out their dual laminate sit stand desk, their Desky integrated cable and power channel, their monitor stand, and their Desky Vanguard gaming chair. If you guys don't already know, I moved to a new office space and I have a whole new desk setup in these boxes here. It's a lot of boxes and we're gonna build it, set it up together in today's video. So stay tuned. Now, if you already know, you know my old desk setup that's over there behind me. And now we're gonna make a brand new desk setup with everything that you see in these boxes here. And it's absolutely a lot. So in today's video, stay tuned and we're gonna break my desk down and rebuild a new one. And if you guys didn't notice, there's a few boxes that's already missing, and that's because I got super excited and I had to rip out the Desky Vanguard gaming chair. And this thing is absolutely amazing. It's high quality, super comfortable. The Desky Vanguard chair was absolutely easy to put together. The lumbar support is absolutely great. It really feels good to sit in. And so far, using this chair has literally made my productivity and my daily day-to-day activities absolutely better, just because it's relaxing. It feels great. It's easy to swivel around with the wheels that it's on. And it's overall just an absolutely amazing gaming chair. And I definitely recommend you guys grabbing one. It's worth every single penny. And it just feels good to come home from a long day of work and just sit in a great chair that's just super comfortable, has great neck support, and just literally great to just be in. And I got rid of my old desk, so I literally have one desk currently, and this is gonna be my second setup. But the goal of this setup is gonna be my workspace, my content space, my research space, just a space where I can really clock in, get work done with comfort and ergonomics setups, and just a place where I can be me, and a place where I can really push my content and my work to the next level. And the one thing I love about Desky is, check this out. It literally has a little ergonomic posture thing that teaches you how to sit in proper posture, which is great. Like, a lot of times the people be hunched over with hunchbacks because they don't have great posture. And Desky's making sure that you do. One of the biggest things I underestimate is how much space you actually need for your desktop. Like, you need a lot of space. Did I get it too big? Nope, I think it's perfect. Look at the size of that thing. Look at the size of this thing compared to me. Now this is a desktop. I'm gonna clear some of this garbage out, make some space, and show you everything that we got in the boxes so far. So here we have the completed desk build. That wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, or as I've experienced with a few other desk builds. That was actually pretty easy and fun, and you can see how big the desk is. I mean, I'm 6'1" or 6'2", and it fits me on there. Firm, solid. I'm excited to get my setup on this desk. So here I have the Desky dual laminate stand stick desk all put together with the monitor stand, with the integrated cable attachment, which is super great for cable management. And the whole desk has come together absolutely amazing. And I can't forget, it's all paired with the Desky Vanguard gaming chair. And I can literally say this is absolutely incredible. Another great thing about this desk setup is the cable management. And it literally comes with a 9-plug unit, which is absolutely amazing. So I didn't have to run a bunch of extensions, figure out how to stick them under the desk. It literally comes built in with the wire management system, which is absolutely great. So I could just plug that in and plug all my devices directly into it. One of my other favorite things about this desk setup is the desk monitor stand. And it's absolutely great because it literally matches the desk, and it's just great for saving space, for putting my tools, my iPad, my notebooks, and it's just great for overall productivity. And it just makes desk look absolutely amazing. And then the control literally has an OLED screen with RGB lights, and you can choose what color that glows in, or you can choose to cycle through the colors like I have it. It has a sedentary reminder function. Like, that is just super great. It just reminds you to get that done and get you going, which is super sick. You have hands-free voice control, so you can literally use your voice to control the desk and the height and just make it go up and down, which is absolutely amazing. Name a desk that can do that right now. So with this desk, you can literally use an app to bring the desk up or down, which is absolutely incredible. So the Desky desk is literally beautiful. We're talking about a lot of space for your desk, set up your products on top of your desk. We're talking about amazing cable management, so no more spaghetti and untidy wires hanging on your desk because of the cable management system. It supports 140 kilos, so I can literally lay on this desk and then have it go up. And then height adjustability with Bluetooth controls, so you can do it from your phone. That's just amazing. And don't let me forget, it lowers all the way down for floor sitting. This desk is cool. It goes way tall and way down low. Like, you just gotta check it out. But the key takeaway for me is how smooth this desk feels when it's going up and down. I've had a lot of desks and I've never felt a desk this smooth when it's moving up and down in the motion. And the conclusion is this is the ultimate desk for content creators, or creators in general. No, I'm a perfectionist, so am I done upgrading my setup? Absolutely not. There's a whole lot more to come with this Desky desk, so stay tuned. But let's skip all the technicalities and let me give you my desk tour and office setup. So everything in this desktop will be down below in the description. The links to all the Desky products will be down in the description also. And you can definitely go ahead, check it out, grab the cool things you want. It is definitely worth every penny. Please remember to like, subscribe, and if you like this desk build and this type of video, let me know in the comments. If you have any thoughts or any questions about the Desky products or desk, just let me know and I'll reply to you in the comments. Until then, have a great time and we'll see you soon for the next office video.